Hi everyone, Alina here. Welcome to my channel, and today I like to share with you how I create this beautiful design, and you can use this design for Halloween. Let's not talk too much and get started. For my design I will use palette. I will use two gel polish. One is base coat, another one is black gel polish color. Then I mix it and it's give you like see-through effect. I will use as well crystal clear red and dark red color, and I use flow gel. I will start with flow gel and apply near to cuticles on the end of the tip. Then I'm waiting when it's flowing, and for I'm not wasting time as well, I will apply for all four fingers in the moment. Then I wait, and when I'm happy with the result, when I'm happy how it's flowing, then I'm put it on the lamp and waiting for at least 1.5 minutes. Design is done, and I'm now prepare two colors of crystal clear. One crystal clear is darker and another crystal clear it's lighter. So I start to apply lighter color between my black spot, and then between that I will apply like lines with the dark color to give that bloody effect. It as well remind me of some magic stone, I think, from some movie. I can't exactly remember what is that, but I can tell you right now, this is design, it's gonna be so popular. It can be done in long nails and extra long nails, and even in the short nails, it's as well look amazing. So now I open special container with my special paint. It's have a metallic effect, so it's give you that metal effect, like perfect metal. If you don't have something like that, you can as well draw with some foil gel and apply foil, or you can use black gel paint without sticky layer, and then you apply chrome. So it's different way. For me it's easier just to use this paint, and I am apply like metal scopes, like when it's have ring, so it's have to give you that metal effect. Doesn't matter what product you use, you have to see it, it's look like a metal. Then if you are finding this product and you create similar design as me, you will see it's make big difference if you just gonna use, for example, glitter or silver glitter. It's completely two different things. So now I'm near to cuticle apply, and remember I'm as well apply between red and between black colors. So that's why it's give me that effect of the magic of the stone, or some kind of movie star effect. When I'm done with my drawing, then I'm apply top coat. You have to cure it first for 1 minute, 1.5 minutes, then you apply top coat. It can be shiny or it can be matte. On my case, I love it how it's shiny and how it's work shiny. I tried matte before with similar design. It's not really what I am looking for. Here it have to be happen like a magic, so shiny top coat is perfect option for this design. Of course, when it's curing and top coated sealed as well, I'm a little bit heavy scratched these places where I'm apply small diamonds, and I use my gel, specifically what I use it for all my stones, all my designs. So I will apply little small amount and I'm apply stones. Of course, without stones it make big difference, specifically in the evening light or in the sunlight. Like here, you see, it still look already pretty good. It still look already nice, but without stones, I can tell you it is quite behind. And with stones, when you apply, it make huge difference for me. Last movement and we're done. I cure it as well for 1.5 minutes, and here is design comes so interesting effect. What it's very nice, I want to show you how it's look on the sun. You can see how shiny it is and it's see-through, and it's actually so complicated to understand what color I use, what I use on this design. So now you know the secret how to create this design. I hope you enjoy my video, and please don't forget to support me with like, and let me know in the comment you like this design, or you might be maybe change it. Did you try this design? By the way, you can use not only a red color, you can use any other color. It as well give you magic effect. See you in the next video.